everyone, it's Tank the Ninja here, and oops, wait, where was I? Okay, it's me, and yes, you might be thinking, how are you sitting in a chair? Well, I looked at, come on, this happens a lot, right? No, okay, so I did look at I found out how to make a chair how to make a chair and to go in it. So I'll show you that. But first, I'm going to show you something else. Wait. Boom. I have made let's just put my barrier blocks and everything in it. I have made a secret lab. Now, this is the teleporter. I'll show you that last. Oh, no, I'll show you this last. This is my special vault. Yeah, this is a room you can't get into, and yeah. This is my room. You can see it right there. It says Cody Ninja's room. So, yeah. Again, so what? Okay, ready? I'll show you my teleporter. There we go. It took a lot of work for this, and I'm glad that I'm showing you because this is now where I'll be starting my videos. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, you just saw that. So no one knows about my secret vault, and you might think, oh, okay, we just go through here, but no, we don't. Because we have this. That's right, we have pressure plates, and you might think, what's this? Wait, I've never seen this. Oh, I cannot craft anything. I really care. Okay, so this is where my secret painting is, and over there. Now this we do not want to break because it's got a kill command. Step on. Now, now we jump over this. Well, actually, no, I'll show you what it does. Look at the chat. You ready? Yeah, it's pretty big, isn't it? Okay, I'll go away in a second. You might be thinking, how do I get through here? You can't, unless you use these. Boom. Yes, I know, it's a wonderful thing. So I can turn the lights off and on. Now, I just found out of this today. Here's my iron, my diamond, my emerald, and I just found this out today, actually, that you can do this. It's my vent. Boom. I know, I just uploaded this because I didn't know there was a new version of Minecraft. So, now look at us. Dun. Oh my, oh, hello. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Now it's FNAF recreated. Dun. Coming from the vents. Come to get ya. Now this is where it ends. But this is my secret. Search. This is my other stuff. My gold. This is my chair again. Now, okay. Now I'll get back all the way to where I'm gonna show you how to make this chair. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, I'm back and so first what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some simple things. But luckily I've already stuck them into my special whatever you call them. So yeah. Okay, so first what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some soul sand. You're gonna have to put it under here. and then you're gonna have to, and then you want to put any block. I'm just going with redstone. Put it there, and then you want to put a rail, and then you want it on top, and then you're going to put minecart, break the stuff, and then you're gonna wanna. Oh, this may be a problem. You're gonna want to do this. Oh. And then you're gonna want to activate it somehow and push it into here, and then you want to just break this. No. Yep, now you want to push that in a little bit because it will still move. Okay, now you will. Well, that's it. That's really it. What you gotta do? Look at me. See? Now you're in your own chair. Ta-da! So that's how you make one. And yeah. Get out. Get in. Get in. Get out. So, how much time do I have? Well, how much time do I have left? Okay, so guys, I have about 5 minutes left for doing this. So I'll speed it up quickly. So the way I'll meet you guys up there. Actually, I'll show you the teleporter. Okay, so now what you do is you grab any block you want. This is how you make the vent. You get this, and then you get a trap door. Now make sure you can be any of these, but it's just a little bit harder using iron ones, okay? So I prefer to go with this one because this one I reckon looks a little bit better. And now I'm gonna make wait, I'll get all of the stuff I want. Okay guys, I'm getting my stuff. So I prefer to use this if you want to make it like a vent. Now you want to do this. Now I'm doing this a little bit differently than usual because I'm making it here. But I think you would want to there we go. So now what you're going to do is you're going to break, if you have glass, you've got to break it. If you want to look good, you break that. So now what you want to do to get your trapdoor. Boom. Now you want to put it right there. So now you flick it up, you put it down, and then boom, you have your vent. Or cooler. Now I'm gonna use some. Now I want to test something, guys. Wait. Oh, I've only got 2 minutes. I've got to be quick. Boom. Boom. Okay. So now. Yep. So now. Yeah. So now if I want to do it, I have to do this, and then I have to do this, and I get up here. Boom. Boom. So that was my thing. Okay, so that's really cool. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I always do that. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on the video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.